Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can fix Steam can't add or find friends option. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're having such problems adding friends in your Steam, you can simply go and check it if that problem occurs again or not by tapping on your name, and once you have done that, you will end up in this kind of interface. So go in your friends profile, and if you're in your friends, tap on add friend. So once you have done that, you can find an option called try searching for your friend option. So simply tap on it and type in the name of your friend. So if you're going to type it in, you will find this kind of interface where it will be shown that you are not able to do so, or you are not being permitted to add your friends. This is due to several reasons, including account restrictions, pending invites, blocked users, or inactivation of your account. So now to make it happen or fix this problem, you need to simply go in your support system, like your Steam support, and it will give you a reason why it is being shown on your Steam that you are not being able to add a friend. So in this particular account, it is because they have not added any amount in your Steam. So if you're going to add some amount on your Steam, like $5 or something like that, you can easily fix this problem. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.